how to find INCENTER. This is the formula for the INCENTER. AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus C. Next, we'll have the coordinates for the triangle, which is 2.25, not point, 25, 6, 8, and 14, 0. So this is our triangle. We have the points on all of it. This is a makeshift triangle. It's not drawn to scale. But the one that you're gonna do will be perfectly drawn to scale. So we have 2, 5, 6, 8, and 14, 0. Okay, right here we have the A, B, C, which is basically giving its identity, and you're just labeling them. So 2, 5 is A. Just give me a minute. Some technical difficulties. Beautiful. 6, 8 is B, and 14, 0 is C. Okay, so now we're gonna show how we get the sides using the Pythagorean theorem. So for 2, 5, going up we have 3, and over to the right we have 4. So that's 3, 4. 3 over 4 is like the slope. Okay, for the Pythagorean theorem, we're just gonna 3 squared. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. And that equates to 25 squared, which equals 5. Beautiful. And that's for A. Up next, what we'll do B, which is 5 down and 12 over. So -5, 12 is the slope. We're going to do the same thing for that, which is the Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. 25, 144 equals 169 squared, which equates to 13. And -5 times -5 is equals to positive, so this is why we have the 25, and it's not necessarily important to put the -5 right here. Next, we're going to do side C. Over 8, down 8. So we're 8 squared plus 8 squared, which is 64 plus 64 equals to 128 squared, which equates to 11.314, or just say 11.31. Okay, now the points that we just calculated, which is 11.31, 5, and 13.
How? Yes, sir. I'm gonna do that next place.
So now we're just labeling. So we're gonna use the formula for INCENTER to calculate. Right here, the identity is A, and we have the common, which is like the X. So
okay, so we'll be using the X from A right here, and we'll be using the side from this A, and then you just do it like this. And then you're gonna add that with the X from here, which is 6, to the side equals to, which is 13. And then the X from C, and the side equals to, which is 5. And then you do that over all the sides added together.
No, I cannot edit my video. Won't let me edit it.
okay. Once again, these are the side numbers: 13, sorry, and 11.31. And this is what we're doing. This is the formula written out, the INCENTER formula written out. So 2 times 11.31 equates to 22.62 plus 6 times 13 equals 78 plus 14 times 5, 14 times 5, which equates to 70. And we're going to add all of that together. But first, we're going to add the bottom numbers, 5, 13, and 11.31, and that is 29.31. Next, we're going to divide this number into this number.
Come back.
So 170.62 divide by 29.31, and that equates to 5.82.
And this is your x
What a hit.
Yes, that is our x value.
Now you have to show the formula to get the y one.
Now we're gonna find the y value, and we're gonna do the same thing, but with the y points.
And we already know the perimeter of it, so we'll just add it right here.
Okay.
So now from here, we take the y from A and we just do 5 with the same numbers that would be in parentheses here. And then the y from B.
With the same coordinate.
And then the y from C. And this is all over the same perimeter.
Okay, so so 5 times 11.31 equals to 56.55. Then we can plus 8 times 13, which is 104.
And this would just be 0, so we're not
Yes.
gonna add them.
Right.
And we put it over there.
And if you guys don't know, 5 times 0 is 0. It is not 1.
I got 4.
Okay, bring the kid.
I got 4.
So this would equal to 160.5 over 1.
So 160.55 divided by 29.31 equals to 5.4. And that is the y value. So
I'm just gonna put it.
So the in-center coordinate is 5.82, comma 5.48, and this right here is the in-center.
How big is the megabytes?
So the incenter would be around here.
Yes. So on your graph, the in-center would be somewhere right around here, as you can see on the screen.